Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Toke'Skitchen. My name is Toke and I'm Toke'Skitchen. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make coconut rice like a pro. So here, the first thing I did was put my fry pan on the stove, and then I added my oil. Here I am actually using the vegetable oil. You can use your coconut oil if you want, more taste, like to have this coconut kind of taste more, so you can use your coconut oil. So here I added my onions and allowed it to stay for about 5 minutes. Actually, I like it when my onions are kind of golden brown, so then it has released all the nutrients into the oil. You know that kind of thing. So guys, while we wait for the onions to turn golden brown, please subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, take a minute, it's not even up to a minute, just take a few seconds to subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so when I post a new video, you will be the first to see it. So here I added my shaki. I already cooked the shaki, and then I am going to fry it with the onions and the oil so it can release its nutrient also into the oil. So you know that feeling now when you're carrying one spoon of rice and you're carrying shaki, you're carrying another spoon, you're carrying shaki, like two shaki. So I like it when I'm carrying my rice and something is following. So here I allowed it to cook for about 4 minutes. Yeah, I fried it for about 4 minutes. Yeah, it's turning brown already. So guys, I added my pepper mix. Actually, in the pepper mix I have my bell peppers. I have the green bell pepper, the red, the yellow. I have my garlic, 2 garlics, 2 scotch bonnet, 1 tomato, and parsley. So I blended all together. Actually, I'm not using all here because I kept some for another day. I kept in the freezer already. So here I added only 3 spoons of the pepper mix. So guys, enjoy. So I allowed it cook for about 5 minutes, and then I added my coconut milk. Actually, this coconut milk was from the previous cooking, so I have this in the freezer already. It's a canned coconut milk. I actually prefer the canned one because it saves me stress and time. So this is easier for me. But if you want the freshness, the real freshness from the coconut, so you can actually make your coconut milk from the scratch. So here I allowed it cook for about 5 to like 7 minutes. Yeah, then I added my crayfish. Yeah, that aroma when you add the crayfish into your meal, the kind of nutrient it gives, and also the smell, the smell, the way the food smells so good when you add your crayfish into your meal. Yeah, so I'm going to give it a stir, and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Yeah, I covered the pot here and allow it to all simmer together. So then I give it a stir again. So here I added my salt and the Maggi cube. Here I'm actually using the crayfish Maggi. So I gave it a stir again and allowed it to cook for some minutes. So guys, it's about time. I added my rice, all the rice, and I gave it a stir together. Guys, you can see those crayfish and the shaki from every angle. So guys, I forgot to add, I actually pre-cooked the rice for about 10 minutes and saved. So then I added, I like it when my rice is soft. That is why I added more water, so it can really cook and then be soft. And besides, I won't be the only one eating the rice because I have a little one, and I don't want a situation whereby the rice is still kind of hard and the child cannot chew, the rice. So I like it when my rice is soft. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and I hope you're going to try it out, and then let me know in the comment section what you think about the recipe. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it and all. So, and do not forget to please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, like, and click on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. Guys, thanks for watching, and see you until next time. Bye.